Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Search Console for index coverage fixes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Search Console for index coverage fixes, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Search Console website. If you don't have an account, click on Start Now to create one. You can sign in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the Search Console dashboard. Next, click on the Add Property button. Choose the appropriate property type for your website. You can select either a domain or a URL prefix option. Enter your website's URL in the given field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, you will need to verify ownership of your website. Choose a verification method that suits you best. The recommended methods include adding an HTML tag or uploading an HTML file. Follow the provided instructions for the method you chose. Once you've verified ownership, you'll have access to your website's data. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Index. Under Index, select Coverage. Here, you will see the step. Review any errors or warnings listed in the coverage report. Click on each issue for detailed information on the problem. To fix these issues, follow the recommendations provided by Google. If you have fixed the issue on your website, return to the coverage report. Click on the Validate Fix button for the specific issue. Google will then crawl your site to confirm the fix. Monitor the status of your validation request in the coming days. Regularly check the index coverage report for any new issues. By keeping your index coverage in check, you help ensure your site is properly indexed by Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.